Hello, my dear students. This is P. Venkateshwarlu, PGT Physics, Vinandhan Public School. In previous video, at last we discussed electric field, which is defined as a negative potential gradient. Means that is a relation between E and V. So E is equal to minus dou V by dou R. So this is very important. So this we have to write in vector form. Electric field is equal to minus of dou V by dou X I plus dou V by dou Y J cap dou V by dou Z. Okay. So this is the vector formula, important formula. Okay. See here, this is the main important formula. From this we have to do one example. So example problem here I will write. So coming to example problem, the electric potential in a region represented as V is equal to 2x plus 3y minus z. Obtain expression for electric field strength. Okay, see here. They given electric potential V is equal to 2x minus 3y, 2x plus 3y minus z. V is equal to 2x plus 3y minus z. Okay, so this is potential. Okay, clear? Potential. From this equation, we have to find electric field intensity. Okay. See here, by using this equation, this is the problem, example problem, my children. So here the given potential V is equal to 2x plus 3y minus z. So by partial derivation, so we have to get E value. Okay, see, by using this equation, E is equal to minus dou V by dou X I plus dou V by dou Y J plus dou V by dou Z K. Okay, clear? So here the thing is, in every component, in dou V by dou X, in dou V by dou Y, we have to substitute this equation. Okay, so we have to substitute this equation. So we have to do derivation. We have to differentiation here. While calculating this differentiation, we have to do only differentiation with respect to x. Remaining will becomes 0. So first we have to write dou V by dou x. Okay, dou by dou x of 2x plus 3y minus z. Okay, clear? See here, dou by dou x means we have to do only with respect to x. Remaining will 0. So means dou by dou x of 2x. So here 2 dou x by dou x 1. 2 into 1 2. Okay. See here, dou v by dou x value how much by differentiation. So we have to get this remaining constant 3y minus z constant for x. That's why it becomes 2. Next, dou V by dou Y, dou by dou X of 2x plus 3y minus z. Okay, only we have to do y term only, remaining will become 0. So dou by dou X of 3y is equal to 3 into dou y by dou y. Okay, dou y by dou y 1. 3. Okay, and last equation dou V by dou Z, dou V by dou Y by here y not x, y, dou by dou Z of 2x plus 3y minus z. Okay, so only we have to z term. Okay, see dou by dou Z of minus z. which is equal to minus dou z by dou z. Okay, cancel minus 1. Okay, clear? Clear, my dear children? Yes. So we have to substitute here. E is equal to minus of dou v by dou x. How much? Dou v by dou x. 2. 2. Remaining I cap plus dou v by dou y. Dou v by dou y. Yes. 3. 3. 3 remaining j. Plus dou v by dou z. Dou v by dou z. Minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 j. Rearrange this. Here minus is there. Minus we can expand. E is equal to minus 2i minus 3j plus j 1j. So this is the electric field intensity. This is the electric field intensity match. Clear? If we have to find the magnitude of electric field, so we know that modulus of E is equal to square of the coefficient of I 2 square plus square of the coefficient of j 3 square, square of the coefficient of z 1 square. What, my children? 4 plus 9 plus 1. Okay. 4 plus 9 plus 1. How much? How much, my children? 14. Okay. Root 14. Root 14. Okay, the value is root 14 volts per meter. Volts per meter. Root 14 volts per meter. In this way, we have to calculate the electric field intensity if they given potential in the form of equation like 2x plus 3y minus z. Electrostatic potential energy. And children, coming to electrostatic potential energy of a system of charges. Electrostatic potential energy of a system of charges. Okay, my children, coming to definition, my children. Electrostatic potential energy, which is defined as total amount of work done in bringing a total amount of work done in bringing the different charges to their respective position from infinitely large mutual separation. Once again, my children, definition: total amount of work done in bringing the different charges to their respective position from infinitesimally or infinitely large mutual separation. So coming to derivation for electrostatic potential of a system of 2-point charges, for two charges. Okay, see, consider x and y axis. This is origin, this is origin. Consider a test charge q1 which is from infinity. First we have to take one charge from infinity at r distance. Okay, that is q1, distance is r. Okay, here the amount of potential and work done is 0. Here, before that there is no electric field. Before that there is no electric field. And one more thing, another one. Next, q2 charge from infinity, you can take that work done bringing a test charge from infinite to another point B. That is q2. That is q2. So the distance between from the origin is r2. The distance between A and B R12. Here, so here in this case we have to find electrostatic potential energy. Okay, whenever a test charge bringing from infinite to a point A, so we have to write potential V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R1. Okay, Q1 by R. Then, so second charge which is bringing from infinity, we have to take at point B. Here, the amount of work done which is equal to V into Q2. V into Q2 with respect to R2. So, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R, Q1 by R, R1 into Q2. So this we have to write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. Okay, it's clear, my children? Otherwise, we have to write A and B. So R12 is equal to AB. R12 is equal to AB, my children. Okay, if this value, when it this amount, we can say electrostatic potential energy. When it is maximum, so U is maximum for the product of Q1 and Q2 is greater than 0. It is maximum. Okay, so here Q1 or Q2 is which is less than 0, potential energy is 0. Okay, it's clear. Suppose Q1 is greater than 0, Q2 is less than 0. Means what? In this case, we have to get negative potential energy. U value is negative. Okay, clear, my children? Clear? So based on this formula, we have to say when is positive, Q1, Q2 is greater than 0, we have to get maximum positive. If either one of the charge is 0, we have to get 0 potential energy. If one is greater than 0, one is less than 0, we can get the negative value. The resultant is negative value. It's clear? Yes. To next one, electrostatic potential energy of a system of 3 charges. Electrostatic potential energy system of 3 charges. Okay, see, consider a point, it is A. So, in Q1 charge from infinity to at A, the work done, it will become 0. Work done becomes 0 because there is no electric field. It's clear? Here, work done is 0. Say, work done 1 is 0 because of no electric field. It's now bringing test charge Q1 from infinity to A, the work done is 0 because of no electric field. Next, coming to second charge, my children. Second charge. So Q2, and you have to take Q2, which is taken from infinity distance. So we have to place at point B. Okay, that is Q2. Here some amount of work done is there. Here some amount of work done is there. That is given by W2. W2 is equal to Q2 into V1 with respect to R2. With respect to R2. This we have to write, my children. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. It's clear? This is the amount of work done is 2. Okay, see here the distance between A to B is R12. It's clear? This is say it is equation 1 and it is equation 2, my children. Equation 2. It's clear? So then remaining work done is 3 also is available. Okay, see here. So when again third charge Q3 charge, the amount of work done bringing test charge Q3 from infinite distance to at point C, Q3. In this case, the distance between them C to B R to 1. Then C to A is R13. Clear, my children? Yes. So then we have to find the work done 3. See here, in the case of work done 3, so Q3 V of 1 2 with respect to R3. V of 1 2 with respect to R3. Okay, it's clear. Now, how we can write here? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, it is common. Okay, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught common. So then we have to write between 1 and 2 like this. So Q1 and Q3, Q1 divided by R13 plus Q2 divided by R23. Okay, it's clear, my children. So what is this equation? Work done 3 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 by R13 plus Q2 Q3 by R23. Okay, it's clear. Then for 3 charges, what is the total amount of work done? Total amount of work done is equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3. Okay, it's clear. Now 0 plus remaining 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R12 plus remaining 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 by R13 plus Q2 Q3 by R23. It's clear. So this is sum now. Okay, plus this is in the form of bracket. So now the amount of work done 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, it is common. Okay, remaining part Q1 Q2 by R12. Next Q1 Q3 divided by R13 plus Q2 Q3 divided by R23. Okay, it's clear. So this is the total work done. So this work done is in the form of potential energy. U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R12 plus Q1 Q3 divided by R13 plus Q2 Q3 divided by R23. It's clear. This is the final expression. Clear, my children? This is the final expression. So once again, my children, so we have to take 3 charges from infinite distance to A, B, C. The distance we know that R12, R23, R12, R13 like that. Okay, it's clear. 2, 3. Here R23. Here R23. Okay. So by here work done 0 because no electric field. Work done 2. Q2 V1 with respect to R2. So how we can get this equation W2 is equal to Q2 V1? So we know that in previous case work potential is equal to work done per unit charge. From this, so we have to get work done is equal to V into Q based on that with respect to position. With respect to position, we have to take this equation. By combining work done 1, work done 2, work done 3, that work done is stored in the form of potential energy. That value is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 divided by R12 plus Q1 Q3 divided by R13 plus Q2 into Q3 divided by R23. It's clear, my children? And this equation we have to return in the form of summation. Okay. So how we can write? See, common formula. We have to write common formula. U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, summation So I is equal to 1 to n, j is equal to 1 to n, but I is not equal to j. I is not equal to j. Qi Qj by Rij. This is the common formula. This is the common formula. It's clear by itself the potential energy of a system of two charges. Potential energy of a system of two charges. Okay, already in previous case we discussed the amount of work done which is stored in the potential energy. It's clear, my dear? Yes. So that work done is equal to potential energy is equal to Q1V R1 plus Q2V respect to R2 plus Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught into. My children, coming to potential energy of a system of two charges. Okay, in previous case we discussed the amount of work done stored in the form of potential energy. From that we also derived amount of work done or potential energy which is equal to Q1V with respect to R1 plus Q2V with respect to R2 plus Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught into R12. Here Q1, Q2 are two charges, two spherical charges, and V suffix R1 and V suffix R2 potential, electrostatic potential with respect to R1 and R2. Okay, R1 and R2. It's clear, my